This video is one of a series on Files, Aspera's content sharing and file transfer application. In this tutorial, we'll look at how to invite someone to send you content using an authenticated link. This invitation is called a public invite, and you can send it to someone who is not a Files user, as well as to Files users in or outside your own workspace. When you configure a public invite as an authenticated link, the recipient must log in to respond to your invitation, and so must create a Files account if they don't already have one. Using an authenticated link, your recipient becomes a member of the Dropbox with can submit permission only. This person does not become a member of the workspace, only of the Dropbox. To start, click Public Invite here in the top banner. Select a Dropbox to send a link that allows the recipient to send a package to all members of that Dropbox. If you don't see the Dropbox you are looking for in this list, that means that you do not have Can Invite permission to that Dropbox. Contact your Files administrator to request a change to your permissions. In the form that displays, click Authenticated Link. Enter the file's username or the email address of your intended recipient. Click this downward caret to set the expiration date for this link. Until this date you set, your recipient can reuse the link to submit an unlimited number of packages to the Dropbox. You can send to more than one recipient at a time by entering multiple addresses in this field, but they will all have the same expiration date. For individualized expiration dates, send separate invitations, or adjust the expiration for individual users afterward in the Manage Invites panel, which we'll look at shortly. Include a message if you wish, then click Send. Now let's have a look at the invitation you sent from your colleague's point of view. If your recipient does not already have a Files account, they first receive a welcome email. When they click the enclosed Accept Invitation link, a browser page opens asking them to create a password. Then they are directed to a new page where they enter their Files username, which is the email address to which you sent the invitation, and the password they just created. Now your recipient should open your email invitation. They see your message and the Submit Package link with the expiration date. When your colleague clicks the link, a Files portal opens, presenting a form that allows them to respond to your message and easily attach content. If the Dropbox you are inviting them to has metadata fields, Files presents the same fields that you see when you submit to that Dropbox. When your colleague clicks Submit Package in the portal, Files transfers the content they attach to the form to the packages list of all Dropbox members. Your colleague can reuse the link in your invitation email to send as many packages as they want until the link expires or until you cancel the link. A quick but important note. When your colleague submits a package for the first time, Files prompts them to install the Aspera Connect browser plugin. Have a look at the Files Help Center at the topic called Aspera Connect Plugin and Outside Users. Or check the video tutorials on installing Connect, also in the Files Help Center. Another quick note about managing authenticated links. Click Manage Invites to see the list of people you've invited to submit to this Dropbox. You can change the expiration date for an invitation, or you can delete it by clicking the X on the right of the link row. When you delete an invitation, the link in the recipient's email invitation becomes inactive immediately, no matter what was configured for the expiration date. You can reopen this window and send an invitation to another person whenever you need to. That's the basics of using a Files public invite to send an authenticated link. For more information, see the complete Files user docs and the other Files tutorials in the Files Help Center. Thank you for your interest in Aspera products.